Hello everyone, my name is Gagan, and again today I'm back with one more program. Today we are going to learn how to search the function, how to search the element or number in the random numbers array. So we are going to define the function for this, and we will check both cases where the number will exist. The function should return true, and if the number does not exist, the function should return false. So let's start. So from line number 5, we have created a array of random numbers. 5 random numbers we have taken, and then we have defined a function where we have passed array, or you can say this number list, and the target is a parameter which for which number which we are searching for. Basically, target is a number with we are searching, what we are searching, right? So look at the case one. Directly we have called the function in the print function, and print function. Look at the parenthesis within the print parenthesis. Parenthesis of the print function. We have a search in array function, and that takes two parameter. So numbers is the list which we have passed, and target is 5. We are looking for 5 inside this array, and similarly the case 2 will be looking for number 2 in the array. So first print statement will return true, and second one will return false. So let's run the program and see the output in terminal. So true and false. Let's try out opposite. So this time giving 2 here and 5 here. So this time false and true is the result. So that's it. Thank you. I hope you like this video.